In today's video, we're going to take a look at MU. Okay, now if you look at the pattern since this last low, it's still a healthy pattern of higher highs and higher lows as long as we stay above the 42.51 swing low. So what I want to do is look at the two areas that stand out, that come in above this prior low. And it mostly comes from symmetry of this swing, symmetry of this swing, symmetry of these swings. And it gives us two areas of support. Actually, one of them includes a 618 retracement, but 47.21 to 63 or 46.20 to 39. So as long as price holds above one of those two zones, I'm willing to look at my buy triggers. Now, I'll tell you one thing. So far, there's only been a day trade trigger off of that support. So for day trades, you can use something like a 1 minute chart. You can see this is where the low was made. Here's where you had the moving average crossover, and then you also took out a prior swing high. So that did trigger for that time frame, but it has not yet triggered on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so typically you're looking for either the 15-minute or the 30-minute chart to trigger for a swing trade entry. Okay, and what we would need to see, again, we need to take out this prior swing high, and we need to have the 834 EMA crossover to the upside before feeling more comfortable with that. And if it holds, let's say for example, if it holds the low that we already have in place, the initial upside target comes in at the 56.85 area, and then your initial risk would be either underneath this low, the low made prior to a buy signal, or well, whatever the low is when it does signal, or underneath the low end of the zone. So we'll see if this continues to hold and then see if it actually triggers for a swing trade entry or not. Now, if we blow through it, then forget about it. Then I'm going to call that setup a bust. But you do have parameters to look at early next week, and have a great weekend.